Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I wish you all are healthy with your loving family. In this video, we are going to learn about states and union territories. Okay, this is the map of India, political map. As we know, we have four main directions: north, east, west, and south. Okay, and we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So first of all, we will discuss about the states. Okay, this is the map of India. Always remember, this is a head of our map. Okay, at the head of our map, we have Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, then you can see the shape of this. This is a shape of a flower petal. It is looking like a flower petal, and this is a stick, a stamp. So remember with the flower, what we say flower in Hindi, we say fool. Remember with the name of fool, P for Punjab, H for Himachal Pradesh, U for Uttarakhand, and H for Haryana. Okay, and a stick is in a green color. Always remember with the color of green. Here is Uttar Pradesh, UP, and UP and Bihar are brothers. Okay, UP and Bihar are brothers. So always remember UP's brother is Bihar. Now look at this map area wise. As we know, area wise, Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Area wise, this area is larger. So always remember Rajasthan is the largest state. So when you see the larger area here, then you can write here Rajasthan. Now you can see this. This is a picture of a diagram. Look at this shape. This shape is looking like a dinosaur. If you will see it carefully, this is looking like a dinosaur. Okay, so remember with the dinosaur, with the name of dinosaur. Face of dinosaur is Gujarat. Stomach of dinosaur is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is in center of the map of India. So always remember stomach is Madhya Pradesh, and leg of dinosaur is 36 kg, 36 kilo. So remember with the 36, Chhattisgarh. Okay, and dinosaur tail is trapped in bush, in shrubs. So remember with the name of shrub. What we say shrubs in Hindi, we say jhadiyan. So his tail is stuck, is trapped in bush, in shrubs. Okay, and one tiger is looking at dinosaur. So tiger is a famous of West Bengal. So here is a West Bengal. Now we will talk about the northeast part. Okay, and there is a story. In this story, there are Megha, Arun, and Ashwin. They are best friend. Okay, Megha, Arun, and Ashwin are best friend. So one day, Megha for Meghalaya, Arun for Arunachal Pradesh, Ashwin for Assam. One day, Megha said to Arun, can you bring a money for me? Money for Manipur. Okay, remember with the name of money, Manipur. What is money? Money, Nagmani. Okay, Arun said yes, I will bring. Arun started to walk. He saw a snake. A snake is sitting in Nagaland. What we say snake in Hindi, we say saap or nag. So remember with the name of Nag, Nagaland. Then Megha thought of T for Tripura. Megha thought ki leave this plan, we will go back and we will enjoy. What we do? We will enjoy. What we say enjoy in Hindi? We say maje. We say we will do, we will enjoy, we will fun. And fun in Hindi we say maje. We will do maje. Maje in Mizoram. Maze for Mizoram. Okay. So they play a role in this story, and Sukhvinder. He is a Sukhvinder or Sukh. You can say Sukh or Sukhvinder. He is brother of Megha. He is looking, he is listening, he is watching this story, and they go back and they will do fun at Mizoram. Okay. Now, beta, we will discuss this part. Okay. We will discuss this part. For this part, remember a spelling BOAT, boat. Okay. B for West Bengal. Remember with the B, Bengal, West Bengal. O for Odisha. B, O, A for Andhra Pradesh, and T for Tamil Nadu. Okay. B, O, A, T, boat. West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. And with the Andhra Pradesh, remember with the Andhra Pradesh, there is a Telangana. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss this part of map. Okay, this part. For this part, remember a one sentence. कतली काजू कतली गोवा में. Okay, काजू कतली गोवा में. काजू for Kerala, Katli for Karnataka, and Goa for Goa. Kaju Katli of Goa is very famous. That's why Kaju Katli Goa mein. And May for Maharashtra. Okay. Kaju Katli Goa May. Remember this sentence for this area. Okay, dear students. Okay, beta. Now we are going to discuss about the union territories. We have 8 union territories. For remember the union territories, there is a sentence. Chalo Delhi दिखा दो आप. Okay, remember this sentence. चलो दिल्ली दिखा दो आप. CH, चलो of CH is for Chandigarh. Is for Chandigarh. With the Punjab we have Chandigarh. Low for Ladakh. With the Jammu and Kashmir we have at the head of the map we have Ladakh. Delhi for is Delhi. Delhi is in this part. Okay, this is a Delhi. दिखा दो. दिखा का D is for Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Okay, this is a one union territory. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is for D. Dikha. Do for Lakshadweep. D. Lakshadweep Island. Okay, do for Lakshadweep and Aap is A for Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, and P for Puducherry. P for Puducherry. So these are the 8 union territories we have. 1, 2, 3, and Jammu and Kashmir 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are the 8 union territories. I hope, dear students, you all understood what are 28 states and 8 union territories. Thank you and have a lovely day.